Hello and welcome to Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to start by playing Minuet by Mozart's dad. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to play this through for you with the piano accompaniment, and then I'm going to just say a few words about the detail in the music and tell you what you really need to bring out in this. And then I'm going to play through it again with the metronome click track a bit under tempo, just to give you a practice track to play along with. So hope you enjoy the video. Grab your clarinet as well, because I really want you to join in and play along with me. Here we go. Okay, so I think this is a great little piece for grade 1. You can really demonstrate some clear rhythmic and phrasing skills here. So really try and be ultra precise with these staccato notes. And remember, of course, that when you tongue those notes, you're not trying to blow those short notes. You're trying to use your tongue on and off the reed to really make those notes as crisp as you can. Now, I've done this with one or two pupils now, and I've noticed that they find the tonguing okay. I think they've got on with that okay, but then the intervals, the legato bit, they've just got to be a little bit careful which fingers to take off at the right time. So just be careful with exactly which fingers are coming off and make sure they come off really clearly together. So you could just turn that into a little exercise. And then you could go on to that next one. This one's a little bit fiddlier, I think. So the B flat to D, got to make sure that those fingers come up together, and then to the F. So then you could turn that into. So there's quite a contrast there, isn't there? So you've got the really short, precise notes, and then you've got those really smooth notes as well. And then you come up to this little fiddly trill. Now it gives you an alternative here, so you can either try and fit a mini trill in, or they give you an abbreviation of that. They give you a slightly easier version. You can just go whichever you fancy. And when you hit the bottom F, you're either going to hit a right hand F there, or maybe a left hand F if you're really tiny and you're struggling to reach that key. And then on the third line, I think this is really great for young players. So you've got 2 bars of really clear forte, and then right back and play the same thing piano. So I would really exaggerate that just to get extra marks in your exam. So how about something like. So really clear, big sound, and then really take that down. And then you back onto the tune again. So I hope that helps a little bit. Hope that gives you an idea of the detail. So it's quite searching. So really bring out the neatness and the shortness of those short spiky notes, and be really clear with those nice legato bits on the third line. Okay, so over the practice track now, I'm going to play it through with a metronome. Try and play along with me. I'm going to play it at a reduced tempo. Okay, so I've found a practice tempo that I think works quite well. So I'm going to play it through at 88 beats per minute on the metronome. So I want you to play with me and see if you can get this really accurate. Here we go. So I'll give you 1, 2, 3, and then we're in. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, I think that's it for Minuet. I hope the video helped. If it did help, of course, then hit that like button and leave me a complimentary comment in that box below. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care, bye.